Right, so I'm quite excited about this. This is our first, yeah, so it'll be our first day of having students on site at the Woodland. So I am getting the bits ready. They're going to be here in about an hour. Got the gate open. We haven't done the drive yet, but good enough. Not exactly a busy place. We'll park the car over the road. A couple of spaces for parking. Yes, we're getting all of this ready. So there's going to be nice retaining wall in, get some planting more through here. Not sure how many of these trees and bushes are going to be saved after we moved them last year. It's doing okay. When we took the driveway out, a lot of water's been able to run in. We've been seeing if we can actually get some more water getting back into the water table rather than it all running off down a tarmac road. I'm not too sure how we're going to deal with that long term. Obviously we can't flood this area, otherwise we won't be able to park on it. We don't want it to become too unstable because we don't cast this thing either. Yeah, it's good. Anyway, so as soon as we have the water board come in, so we're pulling a water pipe down, doing a fixing up the top. The water board needs to come in and connect up. So that's the next job after getting this little bit of planting done. Yeah, it's just a wonderful thing. I can't wait to get the kids here and see what they think and get them busy. Right, wheelbarrow time. Yeah, okay, so here we are. These are our trees. We've got them through from the Woodland Trust. We've got canes and protection in there. The coils for protection are really long, so I'm not too sure how we're going to do those, but we probably need to protect them. There are probably rabbits over there. Well, I'm not too sure. Got a lot of foxes as well, and badgers, so I'm not too sure how well the rabbits fare. But we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to load these up so that when the kids get here, it's not my driveway, but over on the land. It's great. I don't know whether you can see this, but where these are at, I do hope the sound's working on this 360 camera. Can be a bit iffy. Get there in a second. I'll drop them all as I show you. Yeah, look, they're not just a clump, they're each individually set. This makes it so easy for the kids. So easy. $104. We've got 104. That's a lot to do.
I'm gonna fall.
Don't take me with you, Blue!
He does fall. Oh,
Take me with you!
hello.
How are you getting on, Jack?
Tell them, so don't think there's a rock there, Julian.
It will be.
Yep, there's a rock.
Pick another place and there's enough space.
I think it is.
Go on there and jump on it. All your weight. That's it. And again. And again.
Oh, mate, I haven't done this in time.
Take your bag off your shoulder. Pick it anywhere. That's fine.
Oh, I can't.
Hang on, right. Get on it. Get on it. Get on this. We need a bit deeper than that. We haven't quite gone deep enough. We've got the top layer off, but we need to get deeper.
So I got it like that. I used to do gardening with my dad's neighbour, so.
I'll do another one here while we're. Oh, yeah, so if I get the stone then, so we can shift over a bit.
I think there's a stone there as well.
Yeah, it's going to be stony ground, it's flinty ground.
Yep, I had a stone.
Right, that should do us.
Right,
Where's the where did I put it? Oh, here, I've trodden on it.
Oh, Julian.
Egypt.
Julian
That one
has
in.
trod on the plant.
So that one's in. So we're going to tread this back down around it.
Yep.
So that, we don't need that.
You can't get the. There you go. That is perfection.
No one shake, no shake, no shake. Stop shaking. If I hold it down.
I can't get on this. I'm wearing boots.
You're wearing. Is that the stupidest excuse you got for just saying I've got food?
Stand me down.